How to fix Facebook app scrolling problem. So if you want to fix the Facebook app scrolling problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply tap and hold on to your Facebook application and go with the app info. Once you're under the app info, now you just need to simply go with the force stop option and then tap on OK. Once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. And if you don't remember your password, then don't tap on clear storage. But if you remember your password, then tap on clear storage and then delete the app data. Once you've deleted, then you need to log back into your account and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, go with search, and then you need to search for Facebook. And once you search for Facebook, here you may have some updates on your Facebook, but if you don't have any updates, then you just need to simply go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Facebook app scrolling problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.